What's up, guys? So I just got a new product for my camera. I just bought a Sony A7V about a week and a half ago, so I'm just starting to learn how to use it. I put a DJI Mini Mic 2 on here. That's what I'm using right now. This is the first time I'm using this with the camera. I've used it a couple of times with the Insta360 X5. Works great. This one, it's the first time I'm actually using the module itself. Usually I just do a Bluetooth connection with the Insta360. But yeah, today, this came in. The DJI RS4 Mini Combo. So by combo, that means it comes with the handle and the tracking module. So there's two different tracking modules. There's the one that comes with it, the original, and then the enhanced one. The original one, which is the one that I got, it's about $70, $80 right now if you buy it individually, but with the combo, it's cheaper. I'll tell you in a second. The one that comes with the combo, it mainly can only track humans. This is the problem that people have with it, that film cars, animals, other types of objects that are moving. It won't really catch them. You have to get the enhanced one for it to do that. So the RS4 Mini, it comes for about $290 for just the gimbal itself, or $370 for the combo, if I'm not mistaken. It might be $300 and $370. So for 70 extra bucks, you get the handle right here. It's like a suitcase handle, which is awesome for my skateboarding footage. That's what I film a lot, is skateboarding, and holding it low like that. That's like the original VX 2000 or something like that. I think that's what it was called. It mimics that type of thing. And then it has right here, the tracking. So really excited to use this. I already took it out of the box. Here it is. I want to make sure it focuses on it. So here's the gimbal. This thing is like super badass. I can't wait to learn how to use it. I haven't figured it out yet. I just got it out of the box. It comes with all kinds of stuff. So here's the gimbal itself. It's got a screen over here. It's got all the controls. All of this stuff moves. You need to align it or balance it, I guess. So here is the handle. I don't even know how to move this, to be honest. I'll be watching videos on this, but this is just like an unpacking video. I will have another video of me using it and showing you how to use it. So here's the handle. Here's the charging cable. You got the sensor right here. So it just like hooks up to the top of it. Let's see. Boom. Right there. And then you click on these, take it off. It holds itself on both sides. Boom, back on. So here's the tripod, just like any other tripod, just regular tripod. It is nice quality. Definitely, you could tell that it's a nicer quality than the cheap like iPhone ones. Although it's probably the same one with DJI. And then a couple different adapters. I haven't looked at the instructions to see what exactly they do. I'm guessing it's something to do with going vertical and horizontal. But yeah, I will be messing with this for the next few days. I'll film some videos and I will make another video showing you how to use it, how I like it, if it's good enough. Am I just gonna get the 5 and return this one? Keep watching my videos, I'll let you know.